Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to solve one more easy Python programming question. So let's get started. So in this question we can see it's a given that write a Python program that accepts an integer and compute the value of n+n+nn. Okay, so let's get to it. So let's take an user input, say n is equal to int, make it an integer form, and say input, and let's say enter the number. Now let's just use one if string, and let's say that the sum is equal to int, convert it into integer of if one other f string n. Now let's just copy it, Control C plus Control V plus Control V. Now let's just modify. Here we need two n's, and here we need three n's. So now let's just print that. Print let's just say the sum of this is equals to comma the value of sum. Okay, well, now let's just run it, enter the number. So let's take 5, and here it is 615 is the number. So that's it for today. Another short tutorial on Python programming question. So I'll see you in the next video.